Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today is Saturday at malapit na siyang mag-12 ng tanghali. Mommy is going to my dentist appointment for a filling. Yes, it's another filling, guys. So last time, I'm not sure if nakapag-vlog ako, I went to the dentist for a clean and he found out that I need filling as well. Actually, 2 fillings na kailangan. But sabi ko, I'll just do one now and then another one later. Kasi yung isa naman daw, hindi masyadong urgent. Like, you know, it's there, but not too bad. So, yeah, that's why nakapag-bihis tayo, guys. I was very busy this morning kasi nag-steam ako ng mga damit na dadalhin natin tomorrow para ibenta. I'm super excited, guys. You got no idea. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, this is really my passion. Like, ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Selling goodies, like, you know, my clothing, shoes, accessories, and all. Kasi I don't feel tired doing them. Like, I enjoy doing it so much. And that's when you know na yan yung linya mo, yan yung gusto mong gawin kapag na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo. And for me, this is it, guys. And I'm super excited for tomorrow. It's gonna be early tomorrow. Like, we have to leave around 6:20 para hindi tayo malate. And yeah, anyways, Daddy Mike and the kids, maaga silang umalis kanina. They went to bring Louie para sa grooming. So, meron dito malapit sa coffee shop na pinupuntahan namin. They do puppy grooming. So, I think sabi ni Daddy, may papuputulan niya yung kuko kasi sobrang napakatulis, guys. And, you know, pag like he jumped on you and na-scratch ka. 12:15 ang aking appointment. And malapit lang naman, guys. Diyan lang sa corner. So, it's okay. I still have time. And outfit check. Ano lang, guys, laid back lang tayo today. So, I'm wearing this Burberry top. Ganyan lang, tapos shorts. Lash-wise, obsessed. Look at this. Ayan. So, wala tayong makeup, guys. We only have lashes on.
A few moments later.
Nakatapos lang natin sa dentist, guys, and I still can't talk properly kasi numb pa yung dito, yung feeling. So, hindi pa ako oh my goodness, hindi pa ako makakain for 3 to 4 hours kasi baka daw makagat ko yung lip ko dito kasi nga wala akong maramdaman dito, diba? So, sabi ko, oh my God, yung kinain ko yung biscuit lang. And I can't eat until at least 4 o'clock this afternoon. So, good luck sa akin, guys. Fasting si mami niyo. So, pumunta ako ng grocery. Sa harapan lang naman. Bumili ako ng tubig. And saging. Ayan. Pero sabi ng dentist, I can actually have smoothie kasi straw lang, ganun. But hindi ako pwedeng mag-chew. Uwi na tayo, guys. Nakauwi na si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids. And alam nyo ba, Daddy Mike just messaged me before. Sabi niya, Ate Paris is crying because apparently her back tooth is hurting. So, oh my God. I'm scared that it's going to be another dentist trip. So, we'll see. Tingnan ko pagka uwi ko. Okay lang ba siya? Okay. Perfect timing din, guys. Kasi soon, may magpipick up ng bag. So, akala ko matatapos ako ng after 1:30. Pero natapos ako na just 1 o'clock. So, it's fine. Balik muna natin ito. It's so weird, guys, talking like this. Parang feel ko ngiwi akong ganyan. Goodness. But it's good. Tapos na ang ating isang filling. And the other one, again, sinabi niya, it's not urgent. So, it's okay. Napakainit sa loob ng sasakyan. Come on, boy! Let me You got hair? Come. Come here. Look. Hi. Oh, it smells so good now.
Look at his face.
Look at your face.
Look at his eyes.
Look at your face. Oh, got his hair. What else did you do?
Nothing else?
Nails? Oh, good boy.
Have a look.
Come here. Oh my god. Look at you. Look at your head. Did you have like a blow dry or something? Ibang-iba na yung mukha ni Louie. Lini, girl. Come here, Auntie. Are you okay? Hi.
I had Panadol.
Did you? Good girl.
I drank it all.
Show me. Which one was it? The top one? Is it top one? That's what I mean. It's top teeth, yeah? Nah, here. I have there. Hi! Hello. Have you been crying, you silly girl?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, gosh!
Mama.
Louie, I showed your mama. I showed your mama. I showed your mama. Look at Louie.
Mama.
Did you bring Louie for a wash and haircut? Look at this. I gotta do more steaming. Guys, ayan. Marami pa akong dadalhin for tomorrow. And then, ito yung ginagamit ko na, ano guys. And binili ko to siya sa Facebook Marketplace for $20 kasi gusto kong itry. Brand new nito ay mga 50 lang naman. 59, I think. And then, my second hand naman sa, Facebook Marketplace. I don't really need a new one, you know. So, this one looks like this. Ganyan.
Which is a massive thank you.
Ayan. Ano na siya? Oh, Lini. Lini used to...
Carry me.
You scared? Oh.
You leave me on my
Yeah,
bed.
that's you, yeah. They're not best friends. Look, see? Lini used to Lini. Before umakit, remember when Lini used
Look
to
at
go?
me.
Is she scared?
Look at me.
And look at her. Oh, gosh! Caro. Aw, Lini, that's so sweet.
I want to kill him. Kill me.
It's 6:20 in the morning and nandito na ako sa baba. So, all my bags are packed and ready to go. Pupunta na tayo sa studio, guys. Hinihintay ko lang si Amy kasi isang sasakyan lang daw yung dadalhin namin. So, yan, nagtanong ako sa kanya kagabi kung kasya ba to sa sasakyan niya. Tapos meron pang sa kanya, di ba? Sabi niya, it seems like it's gonna be okay. So, yeah. Sa ilalim, mga hangers lang yan mostly. Sa ilalim yung gamit natin. Tapos ito, mga shoes. Ayan yun. Malaki lang siya kasi yung box malaki. And then yung mga clothing ay nandun sa package. Outfit check tayo, guys. Ito yung suot ni mami niyo. Ayan. Tapos yung aking ang Oasis sandals. Alam niyo ba? Plano ko sana mag-contact lens. And last night, mga 3 oras lang ata yung tulog ko. No, 3, 4. Around 3 hours lang yung tulog ko. Kasi, yeah, baby Celine ay pagising-gising, umiiyak. So, hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos, guys. And I woke up 5:20. So, yeah, 3 o'clock na ako nakatulog. And then 5:20 ako nagising. Ah, my God. So, hindi ako makapag-contact lens kasi ang aking mata ay sobrang pula. Ayan. Ano siya, mas ma-irritate siya kapag nilagyan ko pa ng contact lens. So, ayan. Glasses. Pag may time, tingnan nyo. Lumabas si ate. Ayan. Doesn't matter. So, like my outfit for today. It's very comfy. So, good luck to us guys, to me and Amy. And it's our first time, both our first time. And yeah, we'll see how we go with this one. I'm actually super excited. But nakaka-nervous din, no? Like, I'm just going there to sell, but I still feel nervous. I don't know why. But it's gonna be fun. Tingnan nyo guys, bongga talaga itong Tesla. Hi! Here's my Uber for today. Social naman tong Uber na to. Naka-Tesla. I fell asleep, you know? Yeah, because I fed Celine to sleep and I fell asleep. Social naman ang aking guys, so isundo.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's now 3:20 ng hapon. And kanina pa pala kami nakauwi from the market. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi hectic na yung doon, guys. Sobrang daming tao, sobrang daming gagawin. But overall, it was good. Buti na lang hindi naman kami na zero ni Amy. Na-covered naman namin yung renta namin sa rack namin. But most of all, sobrang na-enjoy ko. And I'm definitely doing it again. Kanina after doon, dapat sana mag-lunch kami ni Amy. Kasi, sabi niya, let's go somewhere in West End para mag-lunch. But then, umuwi kami instead. Kasi sabi ko, I have to, baby Celine, ito, ganyan. Kasi kawawa naman si Daddy Mike, like the whole day siya lang with the 2 girls. So, umuwi kami and then nag-lunch kami dito sa bahay. Ngayon, aalis na naman ako ulit. Pinatulog ko sa baby Celine, andun sila sa kwarto silang lahat. And Amy is coming to pick me up once again kasi she's taking me to the laser place. So nakalimutan ko, guys, na siya kasi yung nag-book for me. So sa kanya kasi member, sabi ko before na papaano ko tong melasma ko. And then sabi niya nung pumunta kami ng restaurant on the weekend, sabi niya, I've done that too. It really worked for me. Dadalhin kita doon. Tapos, sabi ko, I don't wanna bother you too much. Kasi nga, like, she has to drive me there and all that. And sabi ko, I can go by myself. Sabi niya, no, I'll go. Para to make sure na they'll give you the same price. Kasi, may special price to sa kanya. Kasi she's been there before and I think they know her already. I think she's downstairs now. Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo, guys. Kasi, nagkapag-hawat si mami nyo. Kasi, the past few nights, sobrang late ko natulog. Ito na ba siya? Yan. We're here. Meet for Kiki. What does that mean? Does it mean anything? In the studio. Ito yung gagawin ko today, guys. Pick away.
Thanks for coming.
Diba? No, thank you to Amy for introducing you. Look at this. See? Ganyan yung akin, guys. Hopefully with that one. I'm so excited. Time check, guys. It's 4:30 na ng hapon at napakabilis. We are now heading back home kasi hindi natuloy ang ating pagpapaganda. So, I'm not beautiful yet. I said sorry to Amy because like we went through all this hassle. And guess what? I forgot because I was so excited na gaganda na si mami niyo. I forgot to mention that I'm still breastfeeding Celine. So unfortunately, when you're breastfeeding, you can't do this because tawag dito, kapag lalabas daw sa ihi or like sa bloodstream or whatnot, basta ganung mga and it might not be good for the baby. We have to postpone it. Sabi ko, maybe this is another thing na makakapag-push sa akin na win baby Celine. Kasi yung dentist na baby Celine, sabi din sa akin na I have to win baby Celine. So, at hindi ko pa ginawa. So maybe this one will be another reason to do that. But yeah, but thank you, Amy, for taking me around. This beautiful Amy.
Alright.
See Amy got beautiful skin. Yeah, She's done it. She's done it before, guys. That's why like I'm doing it because it's proven and tested. Sabi ko, yeah, I'll do it. And then look at that. Oh, dyan pa siya present. But anyways.
A few moments later.
Hey, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Daddy? No. Hello, boy. Beautiful boy. Hey, George. Have a look. Oh, he'll roll over. Tickle. Tickle, Mama. Yeah. Hey, hang on. I'm gonna go see Daddy. OMG. Umuwi ako dito, guys. Walang tao. Ayan, Daddy. Hey, Bob.
Hey,
Where are you?
I called. Come on, girls. Mummy's waiting outside. Come on.
Pumunta pala sila ng shops. Umuulan, guys. Kawawa naman sila, eh. I'm gonna go pick them up. I'll go pick up Daddy and Ati, okay? You be a good boy? And we'll be back soon, okay? Good boy sitting down and listening to Mama. Stay. Sit. Good boy. You got the hat? What have you got in there? What have you got? Donut. Careful. Ate is here. What are you having? Yogurt? Super excited nila, guys. Nakita nila si Mami. Donut. Ay, chucha. Palangga mo na ni Mama, eh. Mama. Come on. Let's go in. Ate. Say hi, Ate.
Mom!
Wow, donut. Two calls before in the afternoon. Daddy said you were not good girls, you were naughty. Is that right?
No.
Sure?
No.
What's the
No.
What's the